So an explanation on our products. This is our poly range of products, which was our original products. These two products are nearly identical. They're made from the same machine, Australian made. The GutterMesh poly is made out of 660 grams per square metre, and it's quite a durable product and has been for many years. And from there we went to a heavier gauge product with a different shape as well, which is our TuffMesh poly, and that serves more purpose for when needing stronger products. Explaining our expanded aluminium range of products. This is our GutterMesh aluminium. GutterMesh aluminium is made from 0.5mm aluminium, and it has been used on roofs for over 15 years, and it's a very strong product and used widely around Australia. We have produced our TuffMesh range, which is now made from stronger aluminium, which is 0.7, slightly smaller hole, but great use in areas where you want a stronger product. Wanting to discuss our aluminium ember. Our aluminium ember, we have two products. We have firstly our GutterMesh ember, which is a woven product made from 0.5mm wire and has a rolled edge for a strengthened rolled edge, which stops the product from fraying. Also our TuffMesh ember. Our TuffMesh ember is a product that has been designed with a one-way mesh, one-way exposed mesh with an additional trough that allows the water to filter through.